Connecting. Have we started? Yes, we've started streaming. So, boom. So, guys, I'm just waiting for you people to come up. So, why is this thing hanging? Why are you hanging? So, it's nice to have everybody here. If you can hear me, just let me know. Can you hear me? Can all of you hear me? Well, I'm trying to set the camera. It's not showing. Can you people hear me? Yeah, just comment yes if you can hear me in the comment section. Yeah, we just have like 19 people. Let's okay, nice to have everybody here. Can you guys see the screen? Can you guys see the free AI skill training outline? Can you guys see it? Just comment I can see the outline. Just comment I can see the outline. If you can see the outline, comment I can see the outline. Perfect. Blessed with you can see the outline. Okay. Let me try to add my own camera and see if it will lag. Is it lagging? I don't know if I add my camera. If I add my camera, it looks like something like it's lagging, but then I think. Greetings, everybody. Can you guys see me? Because I want to be sure. I'm trying to like set the whole thing up so we'll have a perfect stream. Can you guys see me? Is it lagging? Because it's lagging from my end. Is it lagging in your end? Let me know, or I will just switch it off and we just move straight to the training. Please, you guys use the comment section because it's you guys that are helping me now to like know if this whole thing is working. Like, is my own personal video by the side lagging? Is it lagging? Okay. Okay. So it's not even showing. So since it's lagging, I think we should just go straight to the. Okay, yeah. I've removed my video. I removed the video. So let's move. Some person is lagging. Somebody says it's not lagging. So let's move straight to what we are here for. Yeah. So I just want everybody to like introduce themselves. Like, we have a lot of time to spend today. Yes. Okay. Kazim can see the outline. Okay. So let us have everybody. What you need to do for me now is if there's a specific skill that you want to learn, you comment the skill that you want to learn, be it AI automation, be it AI content creation. So let us know what you would like to learn in the comment section before we go into the outline and talk about what we need to talk about in the outline. Nobody's saying anything in the comment section. Just drop what you feel like, what you want to learn before we start the whole process. Okay. So this is said video creating and AI automation. That's what he wants to learn. So that is cool. You guys should drop book. Okay. Fixie retracted what he said. Don't say, just tell me, just be specific. So we'll know the first one we want to start with. You know what we are starting with. Okay. AI video content creation. Okay. 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 How to prompt AI. Okay. Just you guys should drop. You guys should drop it. You guys should drop it. Drop what you apps and websites. Okay. Well, Ninja, I can see your comment. You guys should drop what you want to learn, what you would like to learn in the comment section, so we'll know. Because what I'm asking, we already know why we are here. We know the reason why we are here. But what I want to do is that I want it to I want us to have this I want us to have this like with what the one with the highest demand in the comment section right now will be what we will talk about. Okay. Please, you guys should drop. We have like 30 something people here live. All this thing is totally free. You are not paying anything for it. So you just have to drop everything you need, then we just proceed to the process. Okay. Mojisola. You guys should just drop what you need. Just drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. I'm with you guys. You guys can also like the video. We are not going to rush. I'm just trying to make sure everybody is active, everybody is with us, everybody gets what they need. Okay, Adewale. Okay, if you are joining us, we're asking you guys to drop the AI skill you want to learn in the comment section so we know what we are working with. Okay, Kokoli, AI automation. I think we have more of AI automations here. So you guys should drop. We have like 3,000 people registered, and I think like maybe most people are not active. I don't know. Most people are not online right now. Ayo the gamer, AI data labeling. Okay, I will teach you that. That is the main reason we are here. We are here majorly for everything about AI. So that we are talking about today. So you guys should just drop Michael, AI automation, Crescent, AI automation and video creation. I can see all of you in the comment section. Just feel free, drop. We'll start in like 5 minutes. If you have questions, anything you want to talk, you drop it in the comment section while we while we get the whole thing set. If you have questions, you can ask in the comment while we get set. Hello. Okay. So let's begin with what we have. Auto animation first. Okay. Let's begin with what we have. Let's begin with what we have here. Let's begin with the skill outline first. So this training is going to take us 3 months. The main aim of this training is to teach everybody what you want to learn. And no, yeah, I will teach everything you need to know about AI, both the AI jobs, all of them. You are at the right place. I'm going to teach everything. So all you need to do is that just give me your attention. Celeb Daily This whole training is going to last for 3 months. Welcome, Akinwale Adebusoye. Welcome. Just drop the skill you want to learn in the comment section. So this whole training is going to last for 3 months. 3 months. We will do it like we discussed the last time. That's why I want us to have a major, like we have a lot of people here so we can discuss those things. So it's not that when we talk about it, we will now go back and start afresh again. So now we want to, before we proceed into the training right now, I want to make sure we're on the same page. Whether we want daily, we want it to happen like every day by 5 p.m. to 8, because it's supposed to be like a 3 hours daily, a 3 hours class. So I want you guys to like tell me what you want, because I don't know, we just have like 30 people here right now, but I actually need more. I need more people to join. So if you have your friends that want to learn all these things, they can just join and stuff. So I just want to like pass that message so everybody will know what is going on. Now, okay, Farida, okay, AI automation. You can prompt engineer and automation. Okay, and with all of you, I can see everybody's comments and I'm reading everybody's comments. Okay, Kazim, okay. So now what I'm saying is that, what days do you guys want? Do you guys want it like this weekend, like we are doing now, or you guys want it you guys want us to be doing it every day in the evening, every day? Crescent, yeah, I will teach you guys everything, whether the programming aspect or this thing. I will teach everything you guys need to know. This thing is not just one of those training will just come speak big grammar and go, because I will bring in a lot of people on. I will bring in a lot of people on to you know to also teach you guys, people that are good in the industry, people that knows what is happening in the industry. I will also put them on. So if you want weekends, comment weekends in the comment section. And if you want during the week, comment during the week. And if you want every day, comment every day. If you want during the week, comment during the week. If you want weekends, comment weekend. If you want daily, if you want us to do it daily, comment daily in the comment section. Yeah, daily will be faster, but I just want to like everybody to like understand, the whole thing, know what the whole thing is all about. So that's the main purpose. Weekends, okay, okay. If you guys want weekends, let's just have it. Okay, Medusola said 6 p.m. weekly. Okay, daily. Okay. It's not even actually about hastening the learning now. It's about you guys understanding it at the end of the whole thing. And I just want you guys to like understand this whole thing that we are doing here. It's not just about being fast and all. So you guys should just comment. You want daily, you want weekends, or you want maybe 3 times during the week mixed up. And so just let me just know. I just want to have the major comment here. The people that wins this thing today, the highest people that is talking about whether weekly, whether weekends, during the week or whatever, we are sparing 3 hours for each training. It's going to be 3 hours for each training. You can see my screen. I will soon show you guys what we'll be doing. But if you guys select the better day, we will make the thing fix it in a way that it will favor everybody. Because the plan is that if you can see my screen here, you see that if you can see my screen here, you see that. Can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen here, you see the plan I did. Monday, theory and logic. We explain the whole thing. We explain why a certain AI skill is in demand. That we'll talk about every Monday. On Wednesday, build along. I'll be on live for 60 minutes. That's like 1 hour. We'll be building things from scratch. So whatever skill you are going to choose, whatever skill you choose to learn, we are going to do everything from scratch. Like I told you, this whole training is not going to be about just talking, speaking BB grammar, and at the end of the day, nobody will gain anything. As we are teaching, we are building life. We'll have question and answers. So that's what I'm asking. Let us know the particular day. I don't know if I should just put my, what is it call it? If I should just like put my uh maybe X account or whatever. So you guys can just go. I'll just put a poll there, or maybe I'll just put on the Telegram community, whatever. You guys just go there and make your vote. Okay, let me read the comment section. Akiwale said, I think we can do one day on, one day off. One day on, one day off. Next day, do practice. One day for learning. Next day, do practice what we've learned. Then I think, okay, okay, okay. Is anybody in support of Akiwale? Is it Akiwale that's it? Yeah. Is anybody in support of Akiwale? Say we should do one day on and one day off. One day for learning and next day to practice. What do you guys think? Okay, Pooh will do it. See, they create Pooh for you. Okay, let me create a pool. I want to create the pool now. I'm trying to create the pool now. This for training. Yeah, I'm trying to create the pool. This for training. Weekly, 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 weekends, weekends, every day, every day. I'm trying to create the pool, guys. Stay active. Every day, one day, one day, one day off, and one day on. Weekends, every day, one day on and one day on. Okay, I just started the pool, guys, so you guys should. I think it's still loading. Able, able. Okay, I can see most of you are choosing this thing. So the pool is on. Um everybody should vote, please. Let's know so we can proceed to the class, please. Everybody should vote so we can proceed to the class. I'm still waiting for the vote. This vote, like, we're going to give it like 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I think Akiwale's one day on and one day off is leading by 61%. If you are just joining us, we are trying to do a poll on which day that is cool for us to do this training before we proceed to what we have on the skill outline. You guys can drop your comments. If you are joining us, if there's the skill that you wish to learn in this program is going to last for like 3 months. I will not be the only one teaching. We invite other people. A lot of people will come and join us to teach. So if there's a skill you are interested in learning in the AI this thing, just drop it in the comment section if you are joining us. You guys should vote. You guys should vote. I think we have like 1 minute, 1 minute left for the vote. Once that 1 minute is done, I'll end the poll. We're supposed to have more people here. You guys should vote, please. Vote, vote, vote. If while the vote is going on, if you have any question, you can comment. You can drop the comment. You can drop the comments in the comment section. If you have any comments, you can drop the comments in the comment section. If you have any questions you want to ask, the vote will soon end in few seconds. Okay. Now the pool ends. The pool ends about now. So you guys can see the results. 1 day off, 1 day on, have it. I think weekends weekends are just okay. Okay, so the accuracy doesn't have it. So the way this trade is going to be going now is 1 day off and 1 day on. That 1 day off will teach. The day off will do explanation. We will do practical of everything. I still suggest we do it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so it won't be confusing. Welcome, Solex. I'm here to okay, Solex. Yeah, I can understand everything you just said. So if you are just coming in new, just drop in what you want to learn in this training and let's have it, guys. All right, guys, let's proceed. Welcome, Onifade. All right, AI automation. Okay. So that's that. We cannot be waiting. Our views start to like wait for a lot of people to join us, but apparently it's only few. So let's go through the outline of what we want to do in this training. The training is going to last for 3 months, like I said earlier. So let's just go through the outline and see the whole thing. Can you all see the outline in the screen? If you can see the outline in the screen, comment I can see the outline so I can explain the whole thing. Can you all see the outline in the screen? On the screen rather. Please, you guys should be active in the comment section. It's only in the comment section I will know that you people are active, you people are with me. Are you guys active? I want to go through the okay. Let's go through the comment. That's okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay, now this was what I planned out before. I planned out on the days we do like Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But with Akinwale's new idea, and you people have voted, because it was you guys that voted, it's not me. I just gave you guys this thing. So now I will have to like adjust this. You understand? So what is going to be now is it will be like Monday theory and logic. We'll just talk about it. Tuesday will be build along. So whatever we explained here on Monday, on Tuesday we'll build along. For the first 60 minutes of the session, we'll build along from the scratch. Whatever we teach the previous day, you build along for the scratch from 60 minutes. Everybody will get whatever devices they have ready, and we'll build along from the scratch. Now, So on Fridays for reviewing subscribers build project. So any project you build during the training, I will review everything, answer your question. If there's any mistake you did, I'll help you correct it. Now, this is what we have here. Month one, we'll be having AI agentic workflow and infrastructure. So now, what is the goal? What is the goal for this month one now? The goal now for this month one is for us to move from just those people that used to chat with AI, just to chat with AI, to building real systems. You understand? We will build systems that think, reason, and act without human intervention. So this is where your automation comes in. All the automation. Please, if you're active in the comment section, just comment I'm active. Friday, okay, I can see what you just said. Friday, AI agent, and with all of you in the comment section. So if you're active, just comment you're active, so I'll know that I'm not talking. People are listening to me. So week one, we have advanced prompting and model context protocol. You can call it MCP. Then live day one, we will do prompt contract and variable injection. That is engineering prompts that will never fail. That is for live day one. Okay. That is for live day one. Live day two, we'll do the model context protocol. That is connecting cloud GPT directly to local files and databases. That is live day two. Live day three, chain of thought. That is COT and React prompting, teaching AI to reason through multi-step logic. Like I told you guys, everything we are doing here, we are not doing talk or read something from somewhere. We are actually teaching real stuff. You understand? We're actually going to teach you guys real stuff, build things for real, not just talking and that's just it. No, we're actually going to build real stuff for real on this page for the next 3 months. For the next 3 months, I want to see people building stuff. I want to see people making ways for themselves using this AI. And again, I'm not only going to be teaching and just talking. I will also teach you guys how to get all these jobs online, where to get all these jobs online. You understand? So you guys should just stay active. Even today's turnover is just poor. We only had like 97 viewers on this, and the way everybody was trying to turn over, I was thinking, okay, we're going to have a large class today, but that's just it. Maybe they don't know we've started already, but they might join us later. So now that is that for week one, live day three. Now, on the week 3 of same month, we will do multiple agent orchestration using CrewAI and AutoGen. Then on this week 2, live day 1, we'll be designing agent personas, hierarchical and sequential agent structures. That's what we're doing in live day 1. Don't mind all this big grammar here. When that time comes, I will break everything down. You guys don't have to worry about anything on this page. I will break everything down. By the end of 3 months, the aim is by the end of 3 months, I just want to just do my own message, do my own ministry and go. My own is just to teach people, teach the 3,000 people here for free and make them get that skill they need to navigate the job market. So now, after live week 2, live day 1, on live day 2, we do task delegation, building a 4-agent research and write team that produces a 2,000-word report. Live day 3, we will do human in the loop, HITL, integrating manual approval gates into autonomous flows. So what we are doing now is agent work. That is month 1 now. That is month 1. What we are doing in that month 1 is all about an agent workflow and infrastructure. That's what we're doing in month 1. So before we go into week, which week do we stop? Before we go into week 3, I want you guys to, if you have questions so far, you can ask your question before we proceed to the next ones. So if you have questions on what we have said so far, and with you guys, please, any questions before we proceed? If you have any question, ask before we proceed. Thank you very much, guys. We just said no question. No, you don't need to know how to code. Even if there's anyone that requires, you're the gamer, you don't need to know how to code. Even though there's anyone that requires coding, I will teach you guys everything. Once you get to that side that requires coding and you have zero knowledge about it, and if it has to do with something you want to learn, I will break it down. If it's to just put you a separate day for you to just come, I will teach you few coding languages and everything you need to know. Then Chidera said laptops will be better for the classes and practice. Exactly. If you have laptop, if you are here, you want to learn, maybe you want to, the only people that don't need laptop here, those people that want to learn only AI content creation. If you want to do AI content creation, you don't need laptop here. So let's proceed. On week 3, we are doing visual automation and logic. We are using make.com and N8N. Most of you are familiar with this N8N and make.com. On the live day 1 of week 3, we are doing advanced N8N, self-hosting and connecting to PostgreSQL for persistent memory. Live day 2, we are doing error handling, retries, building bulletproof automation that don't break when APIs lag. On live day 3, we do webhook engineering, connecting AI agents to real world triggers like Stripe, Shopify, and Discord. Like he said here, week 3 is virtual automation and logic. Now, on week 4, this week 4, then we're going to just have one thing on week 4. That is live project. Everything we'll be teaching from here, from week 1 to week 3. On week 4, we will build. It's not about talking and teaching. We will build live. You guys will build with me here on live screen. Sorry that I was not able to like connect my camera. My camera fumbled and stuff. So we'll build here live. So what are we building? Building a lead generation agent. That's our project for that time. Our live project. We'll build a lead generation agent that find prospects, researches them, and draft personalized email. That is the project we are doing on week 4. Hope you guys are with me. Chuku Shedrack, thank you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. If just tell us the skill you want to learn in the comment section, and know what we are working with. Then Chuku Shedrack, don't worry, it's beginners friendly. Everything I'm going to be teaching here is from the scratch. It's from the scratch. If you still have questions, you can drop your questions. Drop your questions before we move to the next month. Before we move to month 2. Drop your questions, please, guys. If you have questions, kindly drop your questions. Welcome, Isabella. Thanks for joining. Okay. Ifeanyi Chukwu, welcome. Nice to have you here. I think most people are beginning to join now. Currently, we have like 107 people here right now. No, it's not 6 p.m. Excel, it's 5 p.m. I said it is 5 p.m. Yeah, for AI automation, you need laptop. If you want to do it very well in a very good scale, you need laptop. because you cannot do it with your phone. You need laptop to do all this. Any other question before we go into week 2? I can see people are beginning to join. Maybe they did not know earlier that. No, you have not missed a lot. You have not missed a lot. You are still here. What we did earlier before you came is we just did a brief introduction and asked the day of the week where these trainings will hold. And some people said we did a poll and they voted that they want it to be held one day off, one day on, one day of training, and one day of practical. So already I've prepared a plan already. I've prepared a plan. So I will just work on those plan, talk, just rework on those plans to match the votes you guys have made. No, na top show. We don't need to leave. If you have a laptop, you don't have to leave. You can still be with us. You will still learn what you need to learn. You don't have to leave. You don't have to leave. No, now if you don't have laptop, you can still be here with us. Like I said, laptop is not compulsory, but it's necessary. So let's proceed with the training. Month 2, we are doing AI engineering and data mastery. That's what we're doing in month 2. What is the goal? What do we hope to achieve in this month 2? We are building the brain of the operation. This is where we move into Python and API. Don't worry if you don't have knowledge about Python. I will give you a separate day. If you don't have knowledge about this Python, I will bring a separate day to teach everybody. Like I said, at the end of this whole training, the goal is to make everybody absolutely good on everything. Yes, I'll upload the live stream. After this, I'll upload the live stream. You can go and watch it as many times as possible to understand what we'll be talking about since. So on week 1 of month 2, we are doing the AI dev environment. Live day 1, we are doing Python for AI, just the essential: list, dictionaries, API calls with requests. That is what we are doing in day 1. Live day 2, we are doing environment management, Dockerizing AI apps so they run anywhere. That's what we are doing in live day 2. Are you guys with me? Please, if you are not understanding, you have questions, you can just drop. I'm looking at you guys' comments and I'll answer your questions. Yeah, I'll make it downloadable. You can download it anytime. It's downloadable. Just copy it and yeah, you can download it. I'll make it downloadable. So if you have questions, you can ask before we proceed. Benson, it is not a must to have, but it is necessary depending on what you want to learn. It is not a must you must have a laptop, but it is necessary for you to have one. So on live day 3 rather, we are doing Git and version control for AI, managing prompt code as prompt ops. That is that for week 1. Then week 2, we are doing RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation, professional grade. What does this mean? Day 1, we are doing vector databases, that is Pinecone and Weaviate. Don't mind all these things here. I will explain everything. As a beginner, I will explain like I'm talking to a 12-year-old. I will break everything down so you guys will understand. So if you have questions, you don't understand anything I'm saying so far, you can ask me a question. I will answer you. Then on day 2, we have semantic search versus keyword search, implementing hybrid search for 99% accuracy. I will explain. Live day 3, we have data chunking strategies, how to feed 500 pages PDF into AI without losing context. You see this one, this live day 3. Don't worry, when we get there, we'll pass. We have week 3. Week 3, we have advanced RAG and graph RAG. You guys know what RAG is, retrieval augmented generation. Life 1, we have knowledge graph, using Neo4j to help AI understand relationships between data and points. Me personally, I'm not issuing a certificate, but after the whole training, I'll give you a link where you guys can go and register, take few exams, and get your certifications. I have some of them that are for free from Google, Microsoft, and the like. So I'll give you guys where you guys will go and write and get. Yeah, I mean, how will I'm not a registered institution yet, so I don't offer a certificate, but I will give you guys how you guys can get certified on Google and Microsoft. Life day 2, we are doing evaluation framework, RAGAS, how to mathematically prove your AI isn't hallucinating. That we are doing in life day 2. Now, week 4. Week 4 now is where we are doing the project. Like I always say, our week 4 is project day. We are doing fine-tuning versus RAG. Fine-tuning is small language model, which is SLM, like Llama 3 or Mastery on a custom data set for a specific brand voice. So week 4 is always for live project. Now this is month 3. Before we move to month 3, if you have question, please ask question before we move to month 3. Out of 3,000 people, we only have like 128 people live. So ask question before we proceed to the final month 3, to tell you guys what we have there. So just ask question. And with you guys, ask question. Ask question, guys. And with you guys, ask question before you proceed. Is there any question? And if you are new, you tell us what you want to learn in the comment section before we proceed. Okay. Blessed, you said no question. Any other person with no question? Yes, I'll make it downloadable. I'll add it to the link. I'll add it to the when I save this video, I'll add it as a link. Well, this is my first official live training. And the pounds. This is my first official live training. Other ones I do are one-on-one, but this one is a well-planned one and well thought out one. So you are not late. Kazim, okay. Yeah, Kinwale, I'll make it downloadable. I'll add it just later. Just leave me tomorrow, because after this thing, and this video is like almost 1 hour. After this thing, we'll have to still upload it and everything. So if you have more questions, you can ask, and if you don't, we can proceed. We only have like 132 people on this live. And with you guys, ask your questions. Okay. Even if Isabella, even if you check and you go from the start, if you still have question, you can ask and I'll answer. Yeah, it's always the same time. It's always the same time. Every day, Monday to Friday. We are not. It's no longer every Saturday because people have voted. So it's every day. One day off, one day on. One day I will teach you guys. The other day you guys will go and do your practical of the thing I taught you guys the previous day. So that's how it is. So let's proceed. Month 3, we are doing production, deployments, and AI content systems. Now, this is how we are going to do it. What are we doing here? We're doing scaling the value, turning code into product and content into revenue. That's what we are doing here. That's our goal here. Week 1. Don't mind all this grammar here. Don't mind all this grammar here. All the grammar you are seeing here, it still covers all this your automation, everything you want to do here, AI content creation, everything. It covers everything. It's when we start explaining that you guys will know, the whole thing we are talking about. So on week 1, we are building full stack AI apps. Then day 1, we are doing Streamlit and Gradio, building professional UI dashboard for your AI tools in minutes. These are people that want to build websites using AI. Live day 2, we do fast API, building the back end that allows other businesses to use your AI via API. You see this one, read it again. Fast API, building a back end that allows other businesses to use your AI. That means you are building something that other business can use. They can pay to use it. So we are not just doing anyhow something here. We are doing something that at the end of this thing, you have a ready-made project to pitch to people. Please, you guys should click the like button and encourage me. Thank you, Akinwale. You guys should click the like button. Because I'm expecting here to be full today. But then, Excel is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. every day. 5 p.m. Then live day 2, we do deployment, hosting on Vassal or AWS Bedrock for enterprise-grade security. That is live day 3. Week 2, we do video to action pipelines, automating YouTube, repurposing user whisper. I know say most of una go like this one. I know this one una go like am. Video to action pipelines, automating YouTube, repurposing using user whisper, using whisper rather. Transcripts, ChatGPT, Logic, and CapCut API. So we're also teaching you YouTube automation here. So now they the right place. So anybody that missed this class, that I don't know how they're going to meet up, maybe they'll go and watch the training from beginning to the end. It's up to them to decide. Then live day 2, we are doing programmatic SEO, generating 1,000 AI optimized high value blog posts using custom data. That's what we're doing in live day 2. Live day 3, we are doing AI avatars and voice cloning, deep diving into AutoGen 11 labs for automated video channels. People that want to do video edit, AI content creation. This one is still for you. Week 3, we are doing AI security and ethics, the high ticket consultant skill. Live day 1, prompt injection defense, how to stop users from hacking your AI bots. That's live day 1. Live day 2, data privacy, implementing PI, that is personal identifiable information filters. That's live day 2. Then week 4, the AI agency framework. Now, what are we building in this week 4? We are building an end-to-end AI social media manager that researches trends, creates graphics, writes scripts, and schedule posts automatically. This one is for content creators. So this is what we are building on the final day. This one now, when you just give your AI social media manager, sorry guys, you should give your AI social media manager the prompt. Once you just give the AI social media your prompt, you just get the thing done for you. You don't need to stress yourself. That is what we are doing at the final week. So there will be so many things to do on this place, guys. I don't want any of you to miss it. Even though I have my own personal jobs, I'm going to find a way to make the whole thing. Yeah, so the training is fully packed. Yeah, I'll soon create. Complete. Sandra, complete newbies are welcomed. Yeah, complete newbies are welcomed. So that is that about the 3 months. That 3 months covers everything we need to learn about AI, how to automate everything, how to become that AI this thing that you want to be. All these things here, I know how to do them. I've done it for some brands in UK, US, Canada. and I want to also pass the same knowledge down to all of you. I know that sometimes I want to charge because I've tried to like do like a paid training before, but nobody turned up due to lack of money. We know how hard it is in the country. We know how hard it is. So that's why I just try to like make it free for everybody that is interested to learn, because I feel so bad when people are interested to learn and the thing that is limiting them is money. I feel so bad about that. So I want you guys to, if you have questions, you can ask. We're already like almost 1 hour into the training, into the introduction part. If you have question, you can ask. If there's something you want me to know, Isabella, yes, a newbie in AI, even if you don't know anything about AI, this is for you. We are not here to teach you just prompting. We'll teach you how to build the real one. So ask question, guys. Ask question, guys. You guys should not just keep mute. Ask questions, guys. This question time. Oh, I don't want to hear no question. Oh. This question time. Oh. We have like 137 people watching now. Please, I need 137 questions in this comment. Yes, there are. Same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow, 5 p.m. I need question, guys. I need question, guys. Yeah, according to can the training be moved from 5 p.m.? Is 6 p.m.? It depends on you guys. I'll also create I will create a distance for you guys now. I will create what is to call it? I will create a pool for you guys to vote the time too, because most people I'll be asking me question about that time. So Chidera, I will drop a pool now. You guys will vote. You vote what time you guys want. So the pool is live. So you guys should vote for your time, vote for the time you want. Yes, I'm going to create a community. You are welcome, Solexo. You are welcome. Yeah, for those people that don't want to join daily, every video will be saved on my page. You can go and watch it at any time. Whenever you are free, you go and watch the video anytime you want. So you guys should make your vote. Oh. I think let's say in the next 5 to 6 minutes, you guys should be voting. Why people will be asking their question. So you guys should drop your votes. People should ask their questions. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting, guys. If you have questions, ask why the vote is going on. Ask. The vote that's going on is the best time. The best time. Now, I just read what I have here. I have to adjust the whole thing. Uju, I'm answering your question. I have to adjust the whole thing. Then, when I've fully adjusted the whole thing, I will set it to be the way you guys want it because you guys voted earlier on. So this training is going to be a day on, a day off. I'll teach you guys today, give you guys assignments. You guys will do the following day. Then the third day, we'll come back again. We'll review what you guys have done. Then we'll teach another one. In that way, you guys will learn and practice at the same time. So if you have more questions, Celeb Wizzy, I will drop the community this thing soon. So you guys should ask your question, please. Why people vote? You have like 4 minutes before less than 4 minutes before the vote ends. So you guys should just make your vote. Ask questions, vote your time, the time that is best for you. You vote, please. Yeah, it's going to be 3 hours every day. It's supposed to be 3 hours every day. But then we just have to like, okay, yeah, 3 hours every day is okay. 3 hours every day is okay. If you can make out time for that. Then don't worry, I even Excel America, I have pitched to some AI companies. I've sent them emails. I've reached out to them about this training that's going on. I think it was yesterday or the day first that I reached out to some of them. So some of them who wants us to like be partners, they will give us some of their tools. So if they are tools now, I'm just trying to like pitch that. I don't know whether they're going to give us for free or not. Because what you need to know is that for the content creation niche and everything, the 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 tools are really expensive because you want to pay for 11 labs. 11 labs is like 35,000 naira every month, and others, you understand, they charge so much. So I've reached out to these people if they want to partner with us or sponsor. That's why having just 151 people on this live instead of 3,000 we have is kind of heartbreaking. But then maybe most of them are busy. I mean, it's weekend. Nigeria is hard. Everybody's looking for money. So the plan is if they will reach out, I will see the package they're going to give us. But even if they are going to like ask us to pay for ask you guys to pay for any tool, I'm trying to like reduce it as low as possible. I'm trying to like negotiate as low as possible. If like that 11 labs, if they say you guys should pay 35k, I will just try to reduce it to like 10k. Try to get it at 10k or 7k. I'll just tell them I have a lot of people. I have 3,000 people that are interested. That would be like a something that can convince them. So for now, we are still trying to like, yeah, Ninja, I'll make time for everything. I will make time for everything. I will make time for everything. So if you have more question, you can ask, please. If you have question, ask, please. Then you can vote. Vote your time, because almost in less than 1 minute, we'll end the vote. You guys should ask your questions. If you have question, ask. Please. You guys should ask. Um, surgery, laptop is not compulsory, but it's necessary. If you really want to get this whole thing, you understand. The main why this thing is open to everybody and not put everybody in groups is because if you're also interested in other things, you can just come and watch us how we do it. There's nothing bad in having multiple knowledge and selecting the one you feel is good for you. Yeah, website dev is part of the training. It's part of it. I'm adding that. You guys should ask your question. Then the pooling ends now. So now not even like 4 p.m. We have like 40 votes. If we don't like 5 p.m., it's all right. If you have question, ask please. Ask please. Before we end this, ask questions. Ask questions before we end. Ask question, guys. Yeah, vibe coding is part of it, Akinwale. Vibe coding is part of it. I've reached out to some of them, to some of the companies that offer all these things. So I reached out to them. So I'm waiting for them to like give response. Vibe coding is part of it. So ask question, guys. If you have questions, and kindly like. Please like, oh, like. How many likes do you even have on this self? Yeah, it's going to be 3 hours per day, but can be 3 hours. Let's say maximum of 3 hours. Maximum of 3 hours per day. Because some of them won't be spending so much time on them. Won't be spending so much time on some of them. So you guys should like, oh. Any question? Any question? Any question? We'll end in like 10 minutes. End like in 10 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask. Yes, I'm going to give you guys a platform you can work on. I'm not only explaining. This thing is not only about talking. I'm not here to just talk, and go. I'm here to also give you guys what to do, how to do it, and stuff. So that's why we are here. If you have question, ask us. We are here for you. Please like and share. Please like and share. For the dog guy, you are welcome. Yeah, I'm currently connected to my Wi-Fi currently. So immediately I end this live, the video is going live. So anytime I end my live, I'm uploading the video straight up. So you can actually watch later anytime you are free. Any question? We end in like 6 minutes. Any question? Ask your question, guys. Please, you should turn on your notification bell, please. You see over 100 people on this place. 4 likes. It's not good though. It's not though. Just 4 likes. That's not good though. That's not good though. Just 4 likes. Ask question if you have question. All right, guys, and there we have it. I'll be posting this video live so you guys can see it and watch anytime you want to watch. And I'll add this outline to it so you guys can go back and check it anytime you want to. So that's it. So what do you guys think about this training? Is there something you want me to get do better? Is the screen hanging? Is there something you want me to do? Something you want me to clarify? Something you want me to make better the next time? Because I was fast on the setup, that was why my face couldn't show and all. So if you have this thing, you can just tell me. It will help us a lot on the next one. I will not forget the community. Okay, the screen is tiny. Okay, I'll make it bigger. I'll make the screen bigger. So you guys know what I said. If you think there's a way we can make this thing better for you the next time, let us know. Yeah, the community, I'll say that immediately after this. I'll say that immediately after this. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's call it a day. Since nobody have any question. Before I go, if you have question, ask. Oh. Okay, I'll make the font bigger so you guys can see next time. Ask question before we call it a day. If you have any question, you can ask before we call it a day. Okay, I'll increase the font. Yeah, you come back and check this video later. Come back and check this video later to see come back and check the video later to see if the whole thing is live, because I'll post the video again for you guys. I'll post the video again so you can come and check in the comment section. Your own role is to be turning up, liking the videos, and oh, that's your role. You don't have to do any other thing. Share to your friends that are interested to learn. That is all you need to do. No money, it's just totally free. Yeah, we are starting on Monday. She mean at 7 p.m. actually mean that. Yeah, we are starting on Monday, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. on Monday. So guys, you guys should enjoy your weekend and stay safe out there. Thank you guys very much for coming here today. It was nice having all of you.